again, everybody. So the children love to read books and sing songs, but another thing they like to do is art projects. So I was thinking the kids could make their own books. So this is a book that I made called my counting book. So all you would need are just some sheets of paper, and you could also get glue and also pictures of items that they can count with. So this is an example of my counting book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 bumblebee. 2 ladybugs. 3 bunnies. 4 frogs. And 5 snakes. You could also do the same thing, but with colors. So here's the one I made called My Book of Colors. Again, paper, pictures of animals, and have the kids color them, and then you can make a book out of it. Green horse. Gray sheep. Purple seal. Black cat. Brown dog. Pink pig. Orange bunny. Red snake. Blue elephant. And yellow fish. Hope you guys have fun bookmaking. Thank you.